Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In today's guide, I'll show you how to find your IBAN and BIC, also called SWIFT code, for your Santander account in 2025, step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Santander mobile app or go to the Santander online banking portal and log into your account. Step 2. Once logged in, go to the account summary section and select the bank account you want to find the details for. Step 3. Look for a tab labeled Account Details, International Transfers, or IBAN and BIC. In some versions of the app, tap the three-dot menu and choose Account Info. Step 4. Your IBAN will be displayed clearly. It's a long alphanumeric code that starts with your country code, like GB, ES, or US, depending on your region. Step 5. The BIC or SWIFT code will also be shown. It usually looks like BSMMXXX for Santander in Spain, or similar formats depending on your country. Step 6. If you don't see it in the app, go to santanderbank.com, use the IBAN calculator under International Banking, and input your sort code and account number to generate it. Tip: always double check these codes before making international transfers. Sending to the wrong IBAN or BIC may result in delays or lost funds. And that's it. You've now found your IBAN and BIC code for your Santander account in 2025, ready for international transactions. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more quick banking tutorials. Thanks for watching.